Okay. Abhishek. Next. Ankur. Bipasha. CH Anurag. Devalina. Glory. Mrinmay. Sankam. Mahanta. Shayantan. Shubhankar. Saurabh is getting really more problem, I think so. That's why his signal problem is there. Today it is 11 students are there. Okay. Saurabh is getting problem, I think so. Let him join leisurely. So now we have completed in the previous class till the 7th problem, na? In 4.2 exercise?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Uh, is the board is visible to you? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes,
It
sir.
is.
It
Yes.
is.
Yes, sir.
Now, seventh problem completed, and eighth problem, if you see that, exercise 4.2, eighth bit first problem, if you see that, eighth bit first problem, in that two problems are given to you. Already these model problems I told you in the what way you need to solve it. If you are having the determinant containing the 1 in one column, if it is not contains the 1 also, better we make that by doing the applying the properties, either transformations in any way, we need to make that into the any row or any column as a 1 1 1. If you make that as a 1 1 1, then automatically you can make the other two ones as a 0. So let us see here. The question is given to you that 1 1 1 a b c a square b square c square. So this is equals to, it is given that a minus b into b minus c into c minus c. So whenever you are having like this, so doing this one you make as a 0, this one you make as a 0. These two you have to make as a zeros. So how can you convert them into the zeros by the transformations? Using the transformations. This is second row. Second row, first row subtract. R2 tends to R2 minus R1. R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Okay? So now what do you get here? First row is not changing. 1a square. Second row it becomes as a 0. Now this is b minus a. b minus a. b square minus a square. Now here it is 0. This is c minus a. c square minus a square. Now if you observe properly, here you can take the b minus a count. But in the given proof, it is given to you a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. A minus b. Okay, let it be. Afterwards, we can convert a minus b, b minus a. If you are having minus, if you take the common, you will get it. So what you can take the common from this b minus a, you can take the common. Common is nothing but here we are having b minus a. B square minus a square is nothing but b minus a into b plus a. So if you take the b minus a, taking out common from this, and here c minus a, if you take common from that, so what we get here, taking the common, here I will write b minus a from the second column, second row, and c minus a from the third row. So when it is taken common, 1a square. Here 0, b minus a will become 1. Here b plus a. Next, this is 0 as it is. Here c minus a is taken common. 1. This is c plus a. Determined. Now here, mostly in all the problems, wherever it contains the 1, 1, 1 in any column, first column better we make. If it is not there also, better you convert them into 1, 1, 1. After converting them into 1, 1, 1, what do you get here? Then you can make this as a by using like this only zeros. See here, after making the zeros, expand this determinant along the first column. You can expand the normally determinant by the any row or any column, isn't it? So expand this by using the first column, C1. C1 used with the expander. So what do you get here, which is equals to B minus A into C minus A into expanding through the first column is nothing but what do you get? 1 into yes, 1 into C plus A. 1 into C plus A minus B plus A. So that means C plus A in the brackets minus B plus A in the brackets. Next after 0 into 0 into. Obviously the complete result is 0. Obviously the complete result is 0. So now what do you get here, which is equals to B minus A into C minus A into C plus A minus B minus A. C plus A minus B minus A. So now what you get here, plus A and minus A will get cancelled. So B minus A into C minus A into C minus B. But actually the result is given to you that to prove that A minus B into B minus C into C minus. So here you take the minus common. If you take the minus common, this becomes minus A minus B. This is C minus A as it is. And here also you take the minus common. Then B minus A you will get. Then this minus into minus will become plus A minus B into B minus C into C minus C. This is the result. Mostly all the problems which are here in this exercise, mostly except the 1 or 2 problems, the remaining all the problems will be in the similar way. Okay? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the same way, the first row is second problem. If you see that first row is given to you 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. See the first row is given to you 1, 1, 1. So R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 you do it, and then after expand using the first row. Any row or any column if you are having 1, 1, 1, it is easy to you to make that, find the determinant and simplify that any easiest way. So otherwise it becomes a little bit difficult. Okay, that's all. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here, see here, next to ninth problem, if you see that, this is also in a similar way. Ninth problem, x, y, z, x square, z square, and y, z, zx, y, z, zx, x, y. Ninth problem. And here if you see that x minus y, y minus x, z minus x, here it is given to you. So, ninth problem also if you see that, here the question is given to you x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. X square, y square, z square. YZ, ZX, XY. This determinant is equals to, here what is required to us to prove? What is required to us to prove? You see once, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x is there. So x minus y, y minus x, z minus x means x minus y, how do we get? This minus this, if you do x minus y, you will get. Y minus z, how do you get? This minus this, you do. Z minus y minus z you get. Okay, so and at a time you cannot do the third one because this is going to change in the, if you are changing the first row is, most of the students will do the one commit the one small mistake that they will do the 3 operations at a time. Only 2 can be, because we are changing here R1 tends to R1 minus R2. So R1 is changing. Next R2 tends to R2 minus R3. अब R3 change करना है तो, if you want to change R3, R1 use करना तो this R1 will not work because by this this R1 is going to change. So what you have to do here? If you do like that here, x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx, yz minus zx here, y minus z, y square minus z square, zx minus xy, here z, z square, xy. You can take the x minus y here, x minus y here, also x minus y. Okay, I will write the one more step for you to avoid the confusion to you. So here what you write? First row x minus y. X square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus 1. X minus y into x plus y. The next thing is from this x minus y हमको आना है. We need to get the x minus y. So for the minus z you take the common. You take a minus z common. So what do you get here? If you take a minus z common, you will get x minus y. You will get x minus y. Next, y minus z. Y minus z. This also y minus z into y plus z. Here also you can take a minus x common. If you take a minus x common, then you are going to get, what do you get here? Y minus z. And next one is z square x1. So now you can take from the first row x minus y, second row y minus z. X minus y, if you take the common, x minus y, y minus z. This is 1 x plus y minus z. 1 y plus z minus x. Z square and xy. Still more simple. X minus y are y minus z. Z minus x we need to get. Z minus x we need to get means this minus this. इसको 0 करो. Make this. See here, our intention is to make the one column or one row in a simplified manner by using the properties. Properties use करके in a simplified manner you need to make it. You need to make it. So this one, if you are making as a 0, what do you get here? Y plus z minus x minus y. Z minus x you will get. Here this minus this. Z minus x plus z. There also z minus x you will get. And from this you can take the z minus x common. Then you can expand that. So you are going to get the required result here. Okay. So what we will do here? This we need to make as a 0. To make this as a 0, R2 tends to R2 minus R1. Why don't we make this as a 0, sir? Why don't we make this as a 0? You may get a doubt. You need to get, usually, see, while solving the problems, this type of the problem, you have to do the like this experiments. If you are doing the experiment, means why we need to do only this one, let us do it another way. Because these determinants cannot be solved only in a single way. Every one mind will think in one different way. One mind will think in one way, another mind will think in another way. So please try to solve every time whenever you see the question on your own. Properties you are not supposed to see and copy nahi karna hai. So you are not supposed to copy it directly. So do remember that. Okay. So now what you get here? Why I am taking this one as a 0? Can anyone tell? Why I am making this one 0? Why not this one? I told already.
Sir, in order to simplify this.
In order to simplify this, and one more thing is that in order to get z minus x minus y, y minus z is there. Another factor you are having in the proof z minus x. हमको z minus x आना है. Z minus x means this minus this if you do. This minus this if you do. What do you get? Minus x plus z you will get. Minus x plus z is nothing but z minus x. Here also you will see this minus this if you do z minus x you will get. So in this here 0 you are getting. So z minus x directly you can take the common. Directly you can take the common. Sir, this minus this if you do what do you get? X minus z you will get. Minus common level. That is also right. If you make this as a 0, R1 tends to R1 minus R2 also, you will get the correct solution. You will get the correct solution. Don't worry about that. Okay? So,
Sir,
yes.
sir, I can't see it properly, sir. The board.
Not visible to you?
Yes, sir. Not
No, sir, it is visible.
So, it's
Maybe.
Anurag saying
Visible, sir.
Okay. So now, minus 5, y minus z, 1, x plus y minus z. and 0, these two if you subtract, you will get z minus x. These two if you subtract, minus x plus z, that can also be written as z minus x. Here z square and x square. And take the common z minus x from the second row. From the second row you take the common. So x minus y minus z minus x. 1, x plus y minus z, 0, 1, 1, z square, x square. If you want, still you can simplify. Still, how do you simplify? This if you are making 0, ये 0 करना है. How do you make this as a 0?
R3 tends to R3 minus 1.
R3 tends to R3 minus ZR1. ये R1 को Z मल्टीप्लाई करके सब्ट्रैक्ट, बट वो थोड़ा सा लेंथी हो सकता है. डायरेक्टली यू कैन एक्सपैंड नाउ हियर यूजिंग द फर्स्ट this column 1 यूज करके एक्सपैंड करते हैं. Then the other factor xy plus yz plus zs you are going to get. Will you do it, that part?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this
Yes, sir.
exercise, problems we will discuss, because further problems are a little bit different. So that problems this you can do it. It's not very difficult. Okay. So next, let us go for the first. Let us discuss some different problems. Then after, if time is there, then we'll go back again and other problems also we can see. Okay. This is up to here. After getting using the any row or any column. See, sir, I feel easy, sir. Second row is easy, I think so. You may think. Second row थोड़ा easy लगता है, sir. Easy है, उसको use करके expand करना. Expand it using second row. Sir, in the second row, I will make this as a 0. Then after I will do it. Multiple ways you try. Suppose if I say the solution directly, you will copy it. I need to give some hint how. I need to show to you the path. ये है आपको जाने के लिए, ये जगह है, तुझे दिखाना. Suppose if you are doing wrong, if you are not getting, then if you are contact me, please asking in the next class, then I will clarify your doubt. But you need to ask. Okay? Try and ask. Okay? Next. 10th, 11th problems. So easy hai. You can do it. It's not very difficult for you to do. Let us go for some different problem, that is 12. 12 is a little bit different. 12 is a little bit different. So 1x x square. 1x x square. X square 1x and x square 1. So this is one type of the model. If you see that, three things you need to observe while finding the determinant of the matrix using the properties. One is making any row or any column as a 1. 1, 1, 1. And how do we make that? If you see that some elements in the matrix, means determinant of the matrix, if you see that, they will be in a cyclic order. See here, 1x x square 1x. If you add these three, C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3 करो, सब column 1, column 2, column 1 में सभी 1 plus x square आ जाएगा. So such type of the models also will be there. If you add 3 rows or 3 columns, observe that. One means different types of the models I am explaining to you here. Not only exactly solving the problems. One is adding 3 rows or 3 columns. You will be getting 1 row or 1 column identical. Same aa jayega, means say identical elements will be there. That identical elements if you take common, 1, 1, 1, you will get. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Like 1, 1, 1 if you get previous model problem. What to do? Any 2 ones you need to make as a 0. Any 2 ones you need to make as a 0. So after making that any 2s as a 0, then obviously expand that using that row or a column which contains the 2 zeros and a 1. So that is the thing you need to do here. Okay, so let us this model you remember. What is adding the three rows is one different model. Adding the three rows are the three columns. Adding the three rows are the three columns, and taking common elements which are having in the rows. So that is also one different model you are having. That also let us see here. Here what to do here? So do remember that most of the students will do the one mistake that steps. हम ये तीनों ऐड कर सकते हैं, ये तीनों ऐड कर सकते हैं, तीनों ऐड कर सकते हैं, ये तो ये if you are adding these three, ये रो 1 रो 2 रो 3 r1 tends to r1 plus r2 plus r3 लिख सकते हैं, so that actually you will get the answer. If you add this one and write here, then answer c1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Here in this problem, in both the ways, everywhere r1 if you use row 1 tends to r1 plus r2 plus r3 use करो. So first row, second row, third row add करके row 1 में लिखना. So row 1 is going to change. Row 1 is going to change. 1 plus x square plus x plus 1 plus x square plus x plus 1. तो तीनों actually same thing. Then after here x square, here 1, here x square 1. From this you can take the x. What is that common factor you are having? 1 plus x square. So you are going to have 1 plus x square take the common. If you take the common 1 plus x square, then what you are going to get? 1 plus x square taking common means first row is going to get 1 1 1. Next x square 1 x and x square 1. Now what to do? Can anyone tell? Now what to do? Can anyone tell? These two we have to make zeros, obviously. इसको zero करना है, ये दोनों. Then because we are having first row as a 1 1 1. Can you? Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are not giving the answer, I am getting confused that whether it is audible or not. Okay. Already I told you. See here, mostly problems will be in a similar manner. Little bit variables means the expressions may be different expressions and others may be different. Variables and numbers may be different. But mostly the problems will be in a similar manner. So what to do here? R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. R2 tends to R2 minus R1, R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Then what do you get here? This is 1 plus x square. 1 x square x. ये 0, ये 1 minus x square. This is 1 minus x square. This is x square minus x. Okay? Next. This is 0, x minus x square. This is 1 minus x minus x square. R3 tends to R3 minus R. Okay. Okay. Now what to do? Directly you may think that I will expand it along the first row. Now still you may simplify. Here if you take this can be written as 1 minus x square can be written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Okay. And here if you take the common minus x common, 1 minus x you will get. And here also if you take the minus x common, 1 minus x you will get. So from this what you can take the common? 1 minus x. Here it is 0 is there now. As you are having 0 into 1 minus x also you can write. 0 into 1 minus x. So 1 minus x you take 1 plus x square into 1 minus x. From the column 2. From the column 3 also 1 minus x. Then what do you get? 1 0 0. Here x square, here 1 plus x, here minus x, here minus x, and here 1. Now, can you tell me what is this result? This do you remember?
Sir, will you please repeat again?
Huh?
Will you please repeat again, sir?
This one. From see here, from this I have taken the 1 minus x common. Here 1 minus x, here 1 minus x is there. 1 minus x. From this also 1 minus x is taken common. So here 1 plus x will remain, here minus x will remain, here minus x will remain, here 1 minus x taken common means 1 will be remains. Now I am asking what is this product we get. Before that, I will give one hint to you. What is it? Yes. Any doubt? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square formula क्या है?
Sir, A.
Yes, tell. It's right. Brunmai.
Sir, A cube minus B cube.
Very good. A cube minus b cube. Minus here होता है तो ये a cube minus b cube होता है. Here if you are having a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square if you take, this is equals to a cube plus b cube. So here if you see that in the place of a you are having 1, in the place of b you are having x. 1 minus x into 1 square plus 1 into x plus x square. So this product can be written as 1 minus x whole cube into 1 minus x extra and expanding along the first row. 1 into this 1 into 1 plus x into 1 plus if you multiply these two, so what do you get here? Plus x square. Wait, I think we committed a mistake somewhere. Because here we are going to get 1 plus x minus x square as per that. R2 tends to, whether it is right, second row we are changing 1 minus x square. Yes, I will get x square minus x square minus x common we have to 1 x minus 1. So minus x common we have to 1 minus x. ये तो सही है. X minus x square. From this x you need to take the common. So that 1 minus x you get. Here plus x. Here plus x. Now you will get 1 plus x square. Because I have written this step directly. Directly मैंने लिखा था. इसके लिए थोड़ा confusion. One more step you can increase here. Okay. What do you get again? You will get 1 minus x equal. So 1 minus x. Sorry. 1 minus 1 cube minus x cube. This is so 1 minus x cube. This is also 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube whole square. This is equals to 1 minus x cube whole square. Okay. Here I think you may have a little problem because I solved it this in a one step only. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, let us go for the different problem is 13 is you can do it. Similar model if you add all the rows or all the columns, not columns, 2ab 1 plus a square plus b square you need to get. So 1 plus a square plus b square if you want to get. Yes, if you observe properly what is the question given to you, observe properly. And from that you can solve it adding the 3 rows or 3 columns what to do. This problem I am giving to you as a homework. You try it. Okay. The 14th problem because similarly adding and rows or columns and you will get 1 plus a square plus b square and that 1 plus a square plus b square you take it common. Then 1 1 1 you will get similar model 1 1 1 and 2 rows you 2 ones you make it as a 0. Then automatically you are going to get. Okay. So 14 is in this exercise. I will clearly stress you what the different problems will be there, and that problems you don't miss. These are all a little bit easy only, but easy for me. It looks like easy to me, but you have to practice at least once because from the years together I am seeing these problems. That's why it looks easy to you, to me. But you practice that. 14th problem here is if you see that the determinant of a square plus 1 ab ca and AB B square plus 1 CB. Okay. Next, AC BC C square plus 1. So this is equals to, here the question is given to you to prove it as 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So wherever it is given to you 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, every term we need to make as a squares. You have to try to make the every term as a square in the form of the square. So for that purpose, and if you observe properly, see here, from this A you can take the common, because A, if you take the common, this becomes A plus 1 by A. If you write here, A square plus 1 can be written as A into A plus 1 by A लिख सकते हैं ना? A square plus 1. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
So maybe A, either be A. Like this, B square plus 1 can be written as B into 1 plus B plus 1 by B. So B into 1 plus B. So if you want, you take here A, B, C, तीनों. इसमें से A, इसमें से B, इसमें से C common है. So what do you get here? This is A plus 1 by A हो जाएगा. इधर A दे दिया, B आएगा, and इधर A दे दिया, C आएगा. Okay, so here B you are taking common. Here A. Next, and from this B plus 1 by B. From this B, if you take the common C. Wait for a while. Maybe this sir phone. I'll try to receive that. Okay. Now see here, what we did here. See here, if you are doing like this, ABC, if you take the common, what do we get here? ABC we are taken common, A plus 1 by A, BC. From this we are taken B common ले लिया तो A, B plus 1 by B, C, and from this C if you take the common, A and C we are taking B, C plus 1 by C. And you observe properly here, if you observe properly, here completely A you are having, first row, and second row B, third row C. Okay, so now what to do here? This minus this you, because simplification we need to do. If you are doing like that, the rows and columns will be interchanged. And one more ABC, because here ABC should not get in the required result. हमारा required result में ABC नहीं आना है. We need to get the another result in the form of the expression which contains the sum of the expression you need to get it. Okay, expressions का sum चाहिए, sum आना है. Okay, already it is 10:20, so you need some rest for the next class and alert होना है. We'll discuss this problem in the next class. So it's, otherwise shall we complete it now?
Sir, let's do in the next class because in my mobile charge is very less.
That's what I am saying here. So better you do it in the next class and give the rest. And sharply at 10:45, please try to join and make a call to your friend.